Hello, welcome. So this is where we stopped in the last class. We created a folder devc -prj. That is our project folder. Then inside our folder, we created the back end and the front end folders. So everything in the back end will be inside here, whereas everything in the front end will be here. Now, in the exercise given to us in Open Classroom, the front end is an Angular project. So you don't need to work on this front end. You just need to download the Angular work that is already there. Whereas we are going to be concentrating on the back end, which is what we are going to be using Node.js to do. For the front end, we are going to be looking at React in later courses. So we are going to use a project that is already done for the front end, and that is an Angular project. Angular and React are JavaScript framework. Angular is a JavaScript framework, whereas React is a JavaScript library, and you can use them for front end designs or front end development. But in this class, we are going to be concentrating on the back end development. So having said that, we are going to quickly install the front end application that we're going to be using for this. And first of all, we're going to, because it's an Angular project, we are going to be installing the Angular CLI. And for you to install anything in Node.js, you come to this place in this terminal. That's where we're going to be working on. So we simply say npm. npm simply means node package manager, and you use it to make installations. So npm install, so that is the statement, npm install. Then what do you want to install? So we want to globally install Angular CLI. That's what we want to do. So we are globally installing Angular CLI. So that is the first thing we do, because we want to use this Angular CLI because we are using a front end made in Angular. So once you do that, you press the enter key, then it will take time and it will install. So I want you to observe what we are doing. I'm having my folder in the desktop, so that's why I have devc -prj in the desktop, and that is where I'm doing this installation. npm node package manager, please help me install Angular CLI. So that's the first thing I do. So it will take a little while, then it will make this installation. Please bear with me with the time. My system is a little bit slow. So once I do this installation, I'll be able to clone the front end app from the GitHub repository where it is, and that's why I say that you must have GitHub installed in your system. You must also have Git, because we are going to be using all these to make our work to be effective. So while I wait for the Angular CLI to be installed, we'll take a little break. Then after the installation, we'll continue. Thank you.